Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone. This is Dan's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, this telephone has had some work done to it in the past. It has an AT&T handset and a cover that's AT&T, but this unit started out as a hardwired telephone, and then it had some upgrades. There was also a plate installed on the back of this telephone so that it would accept a wall jack. When this telephone originally came out, they would have just went ahead and mounted this telephone to the wall. There would not have been any type of a plate for a wall jack, so it was a hardwired telephone at one time. And Dan's had this telephone for a very long time. It's been in his family, so that's cool. He wants to get it repaired. And he has an issue with little or no transmit and receive. Now, he was able to get the telephone to ring. We want to go through this telephone and troubleshoot out all the issues. We also want to go through the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that all the connections are proper and that they're tight. We want to go through the bell and bell circuit, the hook switch, and all the wiring. So we want to go through everything. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this cool telephone, and we have a lot of work that needs to be done, so we want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool 554 rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. All the issues were resolved, and now what we want to do is also mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver, and I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. I can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, December 7th. The current time, 10:19 p.m. and the temperature, 19 degrees.
We can hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 554 rotary wall telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Dan and he can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.